Panda, panda, panda.
Wow. I'm a wolf. What are you? Say something. Say it.
No,
Don't
whip.
Okay, I'm done with this. Woo! And cut. I'm just kidding. I know the rap to that.
Panda?
Oh, cool.
I'm a panda.
Panda.
Did you know that? I don't even know if you know that, bro.
Ow.
Oh, you missed me.
Get in the shot, boy. Get in the shot, boy. There you go. Oh, right here.
America.
I wish there was calming music on.
Okay, I'll turn on some beautiful calming music
Well, you
with my panda head
Wait.
power. Panda.
You have panda head power?
All pandas. Do you not have it? Do you not have it? I thought all animals.
So amazing.
I'm gonna play my song. I mean, it's about pandas.
Does it go like through your butthole or something?
No, it comes from the sky.
The sky.
The outer verse.
I don't see no radio up in the sky. You are a dirty liar. Mm-hmm.
You really?
He's a dirty liar.
I'm not lying dirty.
Yeah.
It takes a minute for my panda power to work.
I got a joke.
Okay, tell a joke while I'm panda power.
Okay. Why did the disco ball break?
Panda. Panda.
It's part of your powers or something?
Panda.
You want to hear my joke now?
Sure.
Why did the disco ball break?
Why?
Because someone was breakdancing.
Ooh,
Like me.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Okay,
Woo!
I'm playing my panda song.
Okay.
This is my panda song. This is the only song I can make happen.
I thought you were going to put some calming music on.
I can only turn on panda songs.
What's this song?
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to do family. Credit cards in the scams.
Panda!
Yes.
Hey, Panda! Guess what?
What?
Put some calming music on! Whoa, this disco ball just like broke out of nowhere. Put some calming music on or I will kill you to death with this apple.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to do credit cards and scams.
Big ring!
Legacy, family. Legacy, like a panda. Gold like a Montana. Honey killers on the hop. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Pockets full, tiny. Set up all, candy. Been at the module like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny.
Whoever made this song, I forgot his name.
Designer.
Yeah, shout out to him. Designer, shout out to him. Because I don't want this music to be copyrighted. So, yeah. This is not copyrighted. All credit to him. I can't do this, actually. I have that thing there. This. Yeah. Back to this.